graduated from drama in college. God. Ooh, that was a challenge. Goodbye, school. I'm gonna miss you. And not really. Okay, wait, what? What's this? Rehearsals at 9. Romeo and Juliet. Oh, okay, that sounds kind of interesting. 9 p.m, hey? That's in 10 minutes. Oh, God. Gotta make it. My house. My beautiful house. God, I'm so fit. Woo! Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Are you here for auditioning?
Before you ask anything, please just get changed.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be best.
Get them change it, right? Awkward moments.
Yeah. So what's that question?
Are you here for auditioning?
Yeah, I'm gonna audition for Juliet.
Same.
Oh, good luck, really. You're gonna need it.
Really, bitch.
Get out of my face.
I'll get even more in your face.
I said get out my face.
Little bitch.
Okay, Chantel, please come to stage.
You're lucky I need to go.
Break your leg, literally.
You little bitch.
I will kill you in your sleep.
And I'm auditioning for Juliet. Forgetting. Romeo. There. Where Romeo?
Okay, I think I get the draft of it. Okay, next on stage, please can I have Taylor?
Ha! Beat that!
Oh, I think it's going to be pretty easy. We're meant to do the modern version, not old timers.
Oh no, shit.
Ha! Okay, in your own time. Okay, my name is Taylor. I'm auditioning for Juliet. Okay. Romeo, where are you? I haven't heard from you for hours. What has Tybalt's got you? God, I can't even think about that. And see. Okay, good. Go off stage while I try and figure out who's gonna play what. Go away. You can stay here. I'm gonna stand outside. Oi! God, what a fucking stress for the brain. Okay, please come to stage.
Yes, I know I won. Thank you.
Okay, settle down now. Okay, because of the shortage of auditions, we'll just have to make do with what we've got. So, who's playing Juliet is Taylor. Yes!
Oh, thank you.
What are you on about? He said me. And Romeo is Chantel. Congratulations. What? She's a girl. Well, make do with it. Oh, that's that thing. That's unbelievable. Whatever. Just stop arguing. God damn it, wrong way. Who invented those doors here? Come on. For crying out loud. What do you want?
I guess if we're going to have to do this, we've got to be friends.
Get out of my way, you freaking retard. Oh, don't hit me! Right? Had enough of your stuff.
You little bitch, I'll kill you!
Well, good like that. I'll go to my house. I don't understand how you can hear me from here. Stop chasing after me, you crazy woman. God. Okay, so that's the day done, and what a freaking stressful one it was. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to go to sleep, so bye!